Alright, so when I first showed up here, my plan was to have a finished game, which, not even close. Not even close, and this needs to open. So, what happened is I got it to a point where I could show some testing for the stealth gameplay, and I got some amazing feedback on that. And then with that feedback, I started changing the look a little bit. It started off really Tron. I'm shifting it to be a little bit differently. And I started working really hardcore on the hacking part of the game, which I am now playable enough to show a little loop thing here, or a little gameplay bit. So I check you can get secured messages, they show up here. So the console started off kind of as a lark and has now become like a really central part of the game. And I'm probably going to expand it out and like make it a larger display of text and all that. So this is kind of a little showing that, hey, you know how to read secured messages thing. And then you get a message, and in the test level, there's somebody inside the apartment, and she's like, hey, see if you can get inside. Because see if you can find a way inside. So, go over here, and there she is, looking at you really bizarre. So pretty much all of this stuff I created while I was here. None of this is old stuff that was before Stugan, so pretty much all this model is coding everything, except for like the player. So there's our locked door. Then hey, you can't just walk in, because there's a locked door. So then maybe try the Wi-Fi, see if you can get in. My password is really bad, so there's a very insecure password here. We'll check the Wi-Fi. Hey, it's totes secure. There it is. Let's go there. Hi, totes secure. And then what could that password be? Let's try password. Hey, it worked. All right. So then you can also check out like the file structures. There's a couple of files there. There's a file.txt there, which has, hey, all your other passwords, monkey. These, by the way, are some of the most popular passwords of 2015. Don't use these. You will get hacked if you use these passwords. Don't use them. I love that monkey's been on there for a long time. Why monkey? So I also found that there's a laptop. So I was like, hey, there's a laptop on this Wi-Fi, so let's connect to that. Let's try a password. How about monkey? And hey, this is what happens. So there's no files here, so let's hop in and actually get into the GUI here and look around. So right now I just have this, so hey, there's the webcam on the laptop, and there's our person sitting inside waiting for us to break in, typing away. So, and just got a message that said, hey, I noticed that you got access to my webcam, so I see you got my webcam, weirdo. But you know, you can use unsecure passwords if you want, because there totally aren't any weirdos on the internet, so don't worry about that. So then we get back in, to the main thing here, and then we hop on the GUI for our wonderful smart home. Most smart homes also have terrible security on them, but it's cool. So there's cameras, and we can check out the cameras for your security or somebody else's spying. Play with the lights a little bit. Let's make it really dark in there, just because we can. And check out darkened room. But let's get those lights back on, and then let's do our main thing, which is opening up that front door that's locked. And there are smart locks. Those, like internet-connected smart locks, they actually exist. So you could theoretically do this kind of stuff in real life. This isn't fiction right here. And I got in without doing anything except getting on the internet. So that's cool. So you got a message that said, good job. And she says, hey, I think I heard something outside though. And because I didn't get to do any more of the stealth stuff here, I thought I would have an old friend show up suddenly at the end here, which, whoa, it gets a little bit weird. And then who shows up? Our eye sphere thing with a new look to terrorize you. Yeah, and so that pretty much summarizes what I got done here.